Hello, Salesforce navigators. Welcome to Sales Trailblazer by Careerya, the podcast where we unravel the secrets of Salesforce sales paths, guiding you through the sales journey with precision. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're diving into the heart of sales management. Get ready for real-world examples, implementation insights, interview-ready knowledge, and a quiz to elevate your Salesforce sales mastery. Podcast episode, Guiding the Sales Journey, Unveiling Salesforce Sales Paths and Their Impactful Relationships. Next topic. Let's commence our exploration by understanding the pivotal element sales paths. Segment 1, Sales Expedition, Salesforce Sales Paths. In the Salesforce landscape, sales paths are like guided expeditions, providing a clear route for sales reps to navigate opportunities. They are the strategic guides that ensure the sales journey aligns with the business's best practices and processes. Example 1. Picture a scenario where your business has a distinct sales process, from lead qualification to closing deals. A sales path could be designed to align with each stage, providing prompts, guidance, and key information at every step. Implementation insights. To implement sales paths, navigate to the Salesforce setup, customize the opportunity object, and create the necessary sales paths. Define the stages of your sales process and associate the relevant sales path with each stage. Leverage Salesforce's guidance features to ensure sales reps follow the prescribed path. Next topic. Now, let's delve into the intricate relationships between sales paths and the sales journey. Segment 2, Guiding Lights, Understanding the Impactful Relationships between Sales Paths and Sales Stages. The relationships between sales paths and sales stages are like guiding lights, illuminating the way for sales reps. Understanding these relationships is crucial for streamlining the sales process and ensuring consistency. Example 2. Imagine a sales process with distinct stages: prospecting, qualification, proposal, and closed won. Each stage aligns with a specific sales path, providing sales reps with tailored guidance and prompts relevant to that stage. Implementation insights. To implement these guiding lights, customize the opportunity object and create sales paths corresponding to each sales stage. Utilize Salesforce's customization options to ensure that the right sales path is automatically applied as the opportunity progresses through the stages. Next topic. Moving on, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering sales paths. Interview insights, Salesforce sales mastery questions. Question 1. How do Salesforce sales paths enhance the efficiency of the sales process? Answer 1. Salesforce sales paths enhance the efficiency of the sales process by providing a guided framework for sales reps. They offer prompts, key information, and relevant guidance at each stage, ensuring consistency and adherence to best practices. Question 2. Can you explain the relationship between sales paths and sales stages in Salesforce? Answer 2. In Salesforce, sales paths are associated with specific sales stages. Each sales stage aligns with a distinct sales path, guiding sales reps through the necessary steps and information relevant to that stage. Question 3. How can customization of sales paths contribute to a more effective sales strategy? Answer 3. Customization of sales paths allows businesses to tailor the guidance provided to sales reps based on their unique sales processes. This ensures that the sales strategy is aligned with the specific needs and best practices of the business. Next topic. Now, let's challenge your Salesforce sales mastery with a quiz. Quiz: elevate your Salesforce sales mastery. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of Salesforce sales paths? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. The primary purpose of Salesforce sales paths is to provide a guided framework for sales reps, offering prompts, key information, and relevant guidance at each stage of the sales process. Question 2. How are sales paths associated with sales stages in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. In Salesforce, sales paths are associated with specific sales stages. Each sales stage aligns with a distinct sales path, guiding sales reps through the necessary steps and information relevant to that stage. There you have it, a journey through the Salesforce sales paths, guiding the sales expedition with precision. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow navigators, and subscribe to Careerya for more Salesforce sales adventures.